Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Laurentien, Ontario, a charming community known for its natural beauty and relaxed atmosphere. The town's history goes back to the early days of settlement, when families came here to farm, fish, and work in the nearby forests. Over time, it grew into a small but close-knit place where people value both tradition and progress. The surrounding area offers stunning views in every season, from colorful autumn leaves to sparkling winter snow. Local trails, parks, and waterways make it a favorite spot for outdoor activities. Whether you're here for a weekend getaway or just passing through, you'll find Laurentien has a charm that's hard to forget.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for joining us on this tour of Laurentien, Ontario. Thanks for watching!